Hi, I have some Lilly Pulitzer unboxing today. Lilly Pulitzer is one of my favorite designers and I'm so excited every time I shop there. Usually I shop like throughout the year and mostly throughout the sales, that is around August and in January. So I just shop crazy during the sales but also throughout here. So this is summer sale. They call it dress sale. It was in the end of June 2020, and I got some items during this sale. I have 3 items here and still waiting for several items. I have here jumpsuit, romper, and shorts, and still waiting for backpack, tank, and the dress. So as for these items that I got today, I have here Paulina Jumpsuit. Yeah, Paulina Jumpsuit, and this is a cotton with drawstring in the middle and full length like a pants. Full length, yeah, it's just like this. And this item retailed at $188. And I got it in extra small size. I usually wear like extra small, and I decided to take extra small just to have like more wide style, not like too tight for the summer and just for running bicycle and stuff. And I got this one for $64, yeah. Okay. The second item I got from the shipment is Blanca stretch romper. This item, and this is in so like C style, I would say. I like this color, and this is like a skirt, so it's shorts inside and kind of like it's dressy on the top, and it has some string here, and it looks so cute. I like this color, and this is super soft and light and just amazing. I got this as well in 0, even all my other rompers in 00 size, so I just wanted some not so too tight style for those items. And this one cost $188 and I got it for $59. Okay, so and the last item in this shipment is the shorts. This is 5-inch Katia shorts. The size I took is extra small, so they're gonna be a little bit like wider, not super tight for me. And the price $78. I paid $42 for the shorts. So they have like pockets here and drawstring style here, so, and super nice color, super brightful. Okay, so and the rest of 3 items I still waiting, like I guess it's gonna be next week or something. Okay, let's take a closer look to this Paulina jumpsuit. So this is the like v-neck, and this is the length. It looks adorable. I'm 5'2" and the length is perfect for me. I guess it's gonna be like ankle length for taller people, but for me it's just amazing. Okay, and the color is just so perfect for summer. I love it so much. Okay, so the second item was this romper. Okay, looks adorable. As you can see, the shorts and the bows on the sides. I'm obsessed with Lilly rompers. I'm like a skirt styles, because you can do whatever you want. You can run bicycle and be in a dress. It's perfect. Okay, and this color is just I'm so much love it. Okay, this is the second item, and the last but not least was the shorts. Okay, this is they have a drawstring here. Okay, and they look like in a bluish color and super light material, like cotton. I believe it's a cotton. Yeah, and they like sportish, but not only sportish, so looks amazing and feels very nice. Okay, so now I'm waiting for the rest of my items to arrive. So the rest of my items finally arrived, so I can't wait to see finally what it is. Let's see. Okay, this is the dress, and this is the top. Okay, so backpack also arrived like a couple days earlier than the rest of these items, and you can see how cute it is. It says Lilly Pulitzer here, huge pocket here, Lilly Pulitzer hold here. And this is the backpack straps. It also has this little pockets on the side, and it's super huge inside. It's like very roomy, and I so much like about it. So this is also pocket. There's also pocket inside, like a zip pocket. And it's super big. It's super roomy. So much like it. I couldn't wait and already used it yesterday once. Very nice. So it was $39. Retail price about 100, because I was about to buy this like a couple months ago, and it was about $98 or something like that. So I decided to wait, and I'm happy I did. So this one just $39, super cheap. For Lilly Pulitzer, it's super cheap. So all the rest is this tank. Okay, let's see. Okay. Super cute. I so much wanted something navy, like bluish, because I have so many navy Lilly Pulitzer like skirts and different shirts, and this one would be just amazing. So, and this is reversible, as I believe. Yes, this is reversible. The retail price is $88, and I took it in extra small size. I usually buy like extra small, but I wanna kind of like a loose fit, not too tight, so I decided to go with this one. Okay, so this is this like navy blue, like this. It's very cute, and bright blue inside. Both colors would be amazing with all my Lilly Pulitzer stuff. So I paid for this one $29. Not bad. Okay. Okay, so let's see, this next one is Blue Boom dress. It's a Shelly straight dress. Okay, this dress once retailed at $168 and I paid $59. It's usually always $59, all little dresses. So this is so cute. It has like kind of like a bra here, so you don't have to wear a bra with this dress. Here. Okay. And it's also what I like the most about this dress. It has here this tie. It looks so cute. Okay. Let's see how it looks when it's hanging like this. So this is the length and back side. Yeah, it's more visible here. This tie, it looks so cute, and a zipper over here. It's almost like a knee length, I guess. Yeah, and this is can be fixed whatever length you need, and tie also can be fixed. So, and it's so cute. Okay, so thank you for watching this unpacking video, Lilly Pulitzer stuff. I will post more videos soon. So I shop at Lilly's very often, so hope you enjoy it, and I see you soon with more videos. Thank you for watching.